What's up guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs and I have Mike Phelps with me today on a reveal video for the truck. Unfortunately, he already saw the truck before I could get to him and hide the vehicle from him, but that's right, we're still gonna go over the build overview. So before we do that, kind of give an insight of what it was like working with Krietz Auto, Krietz Customs, and then how you came about to see Krietz Auto and doing the build as well.
Awesome, yeah, so it was a great experience. I met Wes, sales guy. He came out actually the evening before and stopped by, just drove by. I'm a local resident here in Frederick and saw the trucks. They just popped out right away. So I had to go check them out, saw it. Like I said, I saw Wes. He came out, gave me keys to check a truck out right away. He was awesome. Everybody here has been so friendly. I mean, you guys have a great experience if you come to Krietz. And and this is Wes, yes. But this is the truck I picked, and they did an awesome job. I bought it, it was stock, and then we put the whole lift, tires, wheels, everything on it, and I love it. It's the first time seeing it, so I can't wait to take it out and drive it. So awesome job, great experience at Krietz, I love it.
And then you picked out the full build, right? You decided you wanted the 6-inch lift?
Yep,
perfect.
Exactly.
So Mike knew exactly what he wanted. He wanted to add the 6-inch rough country suspension system to get a bigger wheel and tire package together. The wheel is a Fuel Blitz. This one is a 22x10 with a -44 offset. So this is a newer model wheel from Fuel Off-Road. Kind of like the Contra, but it's got a little different design on the spokes. The tire again is a Nitto Ridge Grappler 35-12-50-22, and that is that hybrid tire, so it's going to be great for an all season. Awesome. So again, are you excited to take your ride home?
Can't wait. Yeah, well, I'm not going to take it home. I'm going to drive around first.
Drive around first,
yeah.
And then I'll take it home.
Yeah.
If you guys want to build your truck, if you guys see a stock vehicle on the lot and you want to build it just like Mike did, you guys can give us a call, 301-694-4642. Yes, 301-694-4642. You can go to our website at Krietz Auto or KrietzCustoms.com, or even visit our Facebook pages at Krietz Auto and Krietz Customs.